So with ABR coming up this week, we decided to give our top picks for a mesh adventure kit out. This is mine from Furygan. So to start in this kit out, we've got 3 products all from Furygan. This is the Furygan Aquilon jacket, the trousers, the Furygan Ciaran, and the boots, the Furygan Chattan boots. Let's go with the specs. To start with the Aquilon jacket, this is a lightweight mesh jacket, easily catered for these hotter days. Today it's 29 degrees, so it does perfectly in this hotter weather. It comes up to sizes all the way from small to 3XL, so it does cater for a lot of body sizes. Now I'm usually a large, this is a large, but I find this probably just a size too small. So if you are looking at this jacket, I'd probably recommend sizing up. So it being a lightweight jacket is perfect for what you need on the trails as an adventure rider. You don't want anything bulky and weighing you down when you're going through the trails. So in terms of protection, you've also got D3O in the shoulders and the elbows, which is fully removable. So if you wanted to replace them, you can do, but why would you? It's D3O. And in its entirety, the jacket has a CE rating of A, which is perfectly good for commuting and those light trails on the green lanes. So moving on into inside the jacket actually has a skin protect lining throughout. So when you are out and about, it takes the sweat away from your sticky skin, and the jacket doesn't feel heavy and bulky. It's a nice lightweight mesh jacket designed to what it's do. Like any other adventure jacket as well, has loads of pockets to cater for whatever you need to take out on the trails. And it also has reflective stripping as well, so you'll be seen when you do get caught out at the night time. Now moving on to the Ciaran trousers, which match perfectly with the Aquilon jacket. Very similar to the jacket, they are mesh all throughout the front. Mesh panels placed where you need the most on the front and the back of legs for intake and exhaust. You've also got abrasion resistant panels where you need them, arguably the most on your knees and around the bum if you do take a fall. Fully kitted out with D3 armour, like the Aquilon jacket as well, in the knees and the hips when you take a tumble. Also inside of the trousers, the lining, like the Aquilon, have a skin protect lining, which again works the same way. It takes the sweat off of your skin when you're concentrating a little bit more. Also, these are more of a tapered fit, so they're designed to be less flappy in the road. So when you are on the road and it's windy, there's nothing flapping around. But they also do cater for a chunky boot like the Chattans. I could get them under quite easily and zip them up and secure them quite nicely. And on the topic of the boots, these are the Furygan Chattans in this quite subtle grey colour that also come in black as well. Now these are something I specifically wanted purely because they aren't as bulky as a normal adventure boot. They don't sit as high as a normal adventure boot. They sit just above the shin here, which is exactly what I wanted, because when I was going to be jumping off the trails or stopping by the roadside, I wanted to walk around in them as much as I could without feeling too restricted, which what these do perfectly. Now, they're not your normal adventure secure closure system as well. They don't have any buckles or a zip. It is all done with a wire system, similar to how a ratchet works. There's a little twist nozzle on the back. As soon as you put your foot in, twist those up, do the Velcro up the top, and you're done. The boot also is catered D3O out throughout the boot as well. And they have worked in partnership with Michelin for the sole. So a little bit of peace of mind for extra grip on the trails as well on these boots. Also a great feature, always a great feature, nice chunky gear shift protection right on the top there as well on both soles. These boots are also fully waterproof, something you're going to need in the UK. The UK weather is always unpredictable, unlike now when it's 28 degrees and beautiful outside, but we sometimes can have all 4 seasons within a day. So being waterproof is always nice peace of mind. So all in all, a great kit out, all from Furygan. So the Aquilon jacket comes in at $159.99. The Furygan Ciaran trousers come in at $139.99, and the Furygan Chattan boots come at $26.99. A great alternative for a summer adventure rider. Even if you're commuting, it will do a good job. If you like what you see in this video, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment if you want to ask any questions about the jacket in total, or the trousers, or the boots. Let us know, ask us good questions, and we'll see you on the next video.